Mr. Badri Prasad maintain his books on the single entry system. Now single entry system मतलब हमें ये पता है कि वो dual entry पर नहीं कर रहा है. So he is not making each and every accounts. His balances for the year ended 31st March 2015 and 31st March 2016 were as follows. अभी हमें दोनों के लिए दिया है. तो we can easily identify it कि 30 मतलब see current year is 31st March 2016. But if the data is given for the 31st March 2015, so we can easily identify from that we have to make a statement of affairs for the previous year just to find out the amount of the capital. Correct. Now over here, we have a amount which has been given for a bills receivable, stock, creditors, cash, bills payable, debtors and the furniture. So मतलब किसके कौन से है liabilities and the assets दोनों के हमें this they have given us the both the balance sheet date पर amounts are been given. So we have to just post this into the ledger accounts. Now पहले हम क्या करेंगे एक बार सब पढ़ लेते हैं वो देखते हैं कि क्या क्या अकाउंट कौन से अकाउंट बनाना है देन व्हाट वी विल डू अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल स्टार्ट पोस्टिंग इट अप फ्रॉम हिज कैश बुक मतलब कैश बुक है जो ईयर 15-16 की उससे हमें ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है दैट वेजेस आर 900 bills payable is 3000 bills receivable is 4300 miscellaneous expenses means other expenses 700 salary 800 investment purchase so this is a investment purchase मतलब किधर जाएगा obviously asset में जाएगा investment sales purchases received from debtors paid to creditors miscellaneous incomes and the drawings ठीक है इससे हमें ये तो आइडिया आ गया अब देखो क्लास यहाँ पर डेटर्स एंड क्रेडिटर्स दोनों का बैलेंस दिया है जबकि यहाँ पर दे हैव गिवन ओनली सेल्स एंड ओनली परचेज इट मींस दैट अ क्रेडिट सेल एंड द क्रेडिट परचेज इज नॉट गिवन. So obviously whenever the credit sale credit purchase is not given what we prepare the account that is debtors account to find out the credit sale and creditors account to find out the credit purchase. On the inquiry, you are told that in 15-16 discount allowed and the receipt for 400 and 355 respectively. During the period, Badri Prasad accepted the bill for 4580 and received a bill for 3000. उन्होंने बिल्स को एक्सेप्ट भी किया है साथ साथ में उन्होंने रिसीव भी किया है बिल को. सो इट इज बिल्स रिसीवेबल एज वेल एज बिल्स पेएबल. ओके बिल्स रिसीवेबल भी है इसमें और क्या है बिल्स पेएबल भी है. His bad dates and the bills receivable dishonored. अब जो bills receive किया है वो bills receive dishonored भी हो चुके हैं. So if the bills are getting dishonored, तो what will be the entry? Obviously debtors account debit to bills. और जब आप accept करते हो bill को तब कौन सी entry आती है? Bills receivable account debit to debtors. तो original entry को reverse कर दोगे तो you will get a dishonor की entry. Give the trading account profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2016 and the balance sheet as on that day of Mr. Badri Prasad. So we have to prepare trading profit and loss account and a balance sheet. Apart from it, we need to prepare a debtors account and the creditors account. We just saw why we are preparing a debtors and the creditors account. ठीक है opening statement of affairs भी आएगा. Why opening statement of affairs will be there? To find out the amount of the capital. So either you can write down balance sheet as on 31st March 2015 or you can write down statement of affairs as on 31st March 2015. Okay, so just prepare a format, then we will start with the posting part. Let's start now posting. First one is bills receivable 4000 rupees. So where it will go? It will go in the statement of affairs. So you go in the statement of affairs and write down bills receivable. 4,000 rupees. We have a closing bills receivable जो अभी के प्रेजेंट बैलेंस शीट में जाएगा ये ईयर के. So bills receivable 2,400. स्टॉक तो एक तो जाएगा पहले तो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में टू ओपनिंग स्टॉक. Amounting to rupees how much? 7,900. Then we have a closing stock by closing stock 8,800. तो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक अभी का कहां पर जाएगा? बैलेंस शीट असेट साइड 8,800. ओपनिंग बैलेंस दिया था that will go in the statement of affairs 7,900. Next is creditors. Now we did for the creditors, correct? अभी creditors बाकी है. So creditors opening statement of affairs में जाएगा 9,400. Closing it will go in the this year का balance sheet. 8,350. Then we have a cash. So opening cash, obviously statement of affairs 3,908. And the closing balance will go this year ka balance sheet 1,963. This bills payable 3,471. So it will go in the opening statement of affairs. And closing will go in the present balance. 5,051 rupee. One is debtors. Debtors का तो we are preparing account तो opening closing balance भी वहां पर record करोगे. Another effect will be in the statement of affairs and the balance sheet. So debtors 9,361. To balance Jot down. Then we have a closing debtor 8355. Next one, furniture 2000 at the opening as well as 2000 for the closing. Now, so इतने तक जितना भी था, we have completed the posting work. Starting from your wages, कहाँ पर record करोगे? Obviously, trading account debit side. Leave one line for writing down the purchases because cash credit both आएगा. So 1, 2, 3, 3 lines. You just leave it and then you write down 2 wages. This bills payable 3000 rupees. Bills receivable 4300. So tell me where it will go. Obviously यहाँ पर नहीं आएगा because हम bills receivable bills payable account we are not preparing it right now. और कैश में पे कर रहे हैं, कैश अकाउंट भी नहीं बना रहे, ना तो बिल्स रिसीवेबल और बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट बना रहे. व्हेन यू पे द बिल्स कैश विल बी गोइंग आउट, सो बिल्स पेबल टू कैश, व्हेन यू रिसीव्स द बिल कैश टू बिल्स पेबल. तो दोनों अकाउंट नहीं बना रहे, सो यू डोंट हैव टू राइट इट डाउन दिस एंट्री. Next one, miscellaneous expenses. So P&L account debit side. $700. Salaries. Salary 800. Then we have investment purchase. So it will be written on the asset side. Investment 1000. We have a sales 1200. So this is our cash sales. So trading account credit side, buy sales. This purchases. So trading account debit side, 2 purchases. Cash. Received from debtors. So cash account debit to debtors account. In debtors, buy cash. 2450. Is paid to creditors. So creditors account debit to cash. Oh, we forgot to write down the ये opening closing creditors in the account as well. ये दोनों को record करना पड़ेगा. Let's first write that balance and then entry pass करते हैं. I balance brought down. $9,400 balance $8,350. Just check whether this two now जो कैश पेमेंट किया उसका, so creditors to cash 1425. One is miscellaneous income, so it will be written in the income side. So by miscellaneous income, then we have a drawings. So less from capital. यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे? कैपिटल. फिर जो भी प्रॉफिट या तो लॉस आएगा अकॉर्डिंगली देन, और फिर क्या होगा, हमारा ड्राइंग सबट्रैक्ट होगा. Then discount was allowed, 400 rupees का discount was allowed. So what will be the entry? One, it will be in the P&L account debit side. So discount to debtors. In debtors, by discount 400. P&L account debit. Next is discount received. So कितने का discount received हुआ है? 3,500. So P&L account credit side by 5. Creditors account के debit side पर जाएगा to discount. Because creditors to discount will be the entry. Next is, during the year, Badri Prasad accepted the bill of 4580. So if he is accepting the bills, तो उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Obviously, it's a bills payable. एक वो accept कर रहा है, मतलब कब उसने accept किया होगा? जब उसको pay करना आया होगा. So creditors account debits to bills payable account. Creditor to bills payable. Four five eight zero. Next is received the bills 300. मतलब उसने बिल को रिसीव किया है. So bills receivable account debit to debtors. Obviously कहाँ से bills को रिसीव किया होगा? Debtors के पास से. So bills receivable to debtors. In debtors by bills receivable 3,000 rupees. His bad dates were 560. Bad dates हो गया. Bad dates account debit to डेटर्स, बैड डेट्स कहाँ पर रिकॉर्ड करते हैं? पीएनएल अकाउंट डेबिट साइड. सो इन पीएनएल अकाउंट डेबिट साइड यू विल बी राइटिंग डाउन 2 bad dates and amount is 560. An effect will be in the debtors account by bad dates 560. नेक्स्ट इज बिल्स रिसीवेबल डिसऑनर. सो जब हमने बिल्स को रिसीव किया, हमने क्या एंट्री पास की? बिल्स रिसीवेबल टू डेटर्स. अब डिसऑनर हो जाएगा तो व्हाट विल बी द एंट्री? डेटर्स टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल. सो इन डेटर्स टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल is dishonored. Amounting to rupees 300. Almost we are done with all the adjustment part. Now we need to first tally statement of affairs. Let's see which side is higher. Obviously, debit asset side will be higher. 27,169. Write this on the both the sides. Liability side का total is 12,871. Capital and credit total minus debit total, if we do, we'll be getting the balancing figure of 14,298. सो ये वाला कहां पर लिखेंगे? ऑब्वियसली कैपिटल के यहां पर लिखेंगे 14,298. Next will be, we will this complete the debtors account. Credit is higher than the debit, 14,765. Debit side total is how much? 9,661. So two credits same. This is the balancing figure. Credit minus debit 9,606. So credit sale is of how much? 5,104. तो इसका अब भी सेकेंड इफेक्ट दे दो और इस भूल जाओगे. वेयर इट विल कम? ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड पर. तो टेक अ टोटल, तो बाहर कितना लिखोगे? 6,304. Just close the creditors account. Debit is higher, 14,710. The balancing figure will come on the credit side to credit purchase. 1400, so it will be 5310. तो इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट क्या कहाँ पर जाएगा? ऑब्वियसली ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डेबिट साइड में. इन परचेजेस यू विल बी राइटिंग डाउन क्रेडिट. Write the total in the outer column. 5910. Now, after closing this accounts, you have to close the trading account, then profit and loss account. So पहले देखते हैं trading में कितना आ रहा है. This side we have 15,104. This side 14,710. So obviously credit is higher. 15,104 will be written on both the sides. You will be getting a gross profit. So 2 gross profit. $394 का you got a gross profit. So by gross profit, brought down. Oops. Now if you see in the debit side, have 2460 का total, and in the credit side we have 799. So obviously debit is higher than the credit. What it indicates? It indicates a net loss. Net loss तो फिर कहाँ पर आएगा? Credit side पर. So let's first write down this. Total is 2460. Both the sides. By net loss. Will be the transfer to capital. Nine. 1681. सो कैपिटल में से इतना क्या कर देंगे? सबट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. प्रॉफिट होता तो वी वुड हैव एडेड अप, बट लॉस हो गया. सो बाय, सो यू विल बी राइटिंग सबट्रैक्ट एंड नेट लॉस. Down in the bracket 1681 because you are going to subtract this. So इसका total will be 12,617 minus drawings. If you do, you will be getting an answer of 11,117. Almost we have recorded everything. So just see, credit liability side, it is coming to 24,518, and asset side it's coming to 24,518. How it has been done. The whole of the solution once.